morning. I'm Coach Nato. So ituturo ko ng mga tips sa inyo, mga swimming tips, how to relax. So kailangan kasi pag nagsiswimming kayo is relax. Okay? So I teach you how to relax your swim. So now, kailangan nilang gawin is to hold your breath as long as you can and then you float. Walang movement, no bubbles, no movement, even your arms and your legs. Just play dead. Yun ang tawag doon. Alright? So subukan po natin para makuha nyo. Simple tip lang po ito. Okay? Ready? I count to 15. Ready? Go. Alright. So naka 15. Nagbilang ba kayo? So 15 lang po yun. Okay. So mas longer, mas better. Alright. So yun lang po ang kailangan nating gawin pag gusto mag-relax. Kailangan kasi mag-swim tayo ng relax. Dahil pag hindi tayo nag-relax, hindi tayo magpo-float, either baka mag-sink tayo. So pag nag-relax kayo, mag-swim, hindi kayo agad mapapagod. So, yun ang isa nating tips. Kaya, laging tutok lang, follow lang ako lagi, and then I teach you more. Bye.